Hi, my name is William Delashman. I'm a sales engineer at Dorse Company. In this video, I am going to show you how to use eCAPS. It's an online version of CAPS, but it's not equivalent to the CAPS installation software. You can access it anywhere you have an internet connection. In this video, I'm going to show you how to access it, how to use it, important features such as the toolbox, how to filter by the quietest fan across model numbers, where you can see certain caution messages, how to compare fans, how to download your files, and then how to share your files via email. You can access the online eCaps software by typing in ecaps.greenheck.com into any web browser. On the right here is the toolbox. I'll get to that later. On the left here, you can filter by category to find the fan you're looking for. For this example, I'm going to select a roof exhaust. For this example, I'm going to input 1000 CFM, tab over, and input my external static pressure along with elevation. Once I hit tab again, it will begin to populate with fans that either meet or closely meet the criteria I've requested. Here are the warning flags I've told you about earlier. Once I click on one, it will tell me why that flag has been displayed. And as you can see here, the volume isn't being met, and that is exactly what it's telling me. To view more specific data on that model, I can click on the model number or name, then go to fan curves and see how it meets the operating condition, what the min-max speed is on the fan curve. And I can also go to drawings and see a rough 3D image, or go to standard drawings, and I can email all of this data simply by clicking this button. I can sort by inlet dBA, smallest to largest, and now I know this is my quietest fan by dBA. But it's not meeting my requirements, so this is the fan I would have to go with. To add it to my cart, I can simply click Add. To return to my previous window, I'll click Return on the bottom, which will automatically run this again if I have multiple fans. It's not a bad way to do it, all that were within similar operating conditions. And if I want to compare these fans, I can simply click them over here and click Compare. Here's my comparison window that breaks down a lot of the technical specifications of the fans, and I can compare them on fan curves and on a sound chart as well, based on octave bands. I can print this data by clicking this button. I'm going to go back to my cart by clicking on the cart in my upper right hand corner. I can download this data as a submittal by clicking Download, which will then load a PDF in the same window. And I can go back. I can customize my fan based on enclosure, motor size, voltage, and phase. I can also save this as a job for later reference, and I can access that up here under Jobs. I can also share this job by inputting somebody's name and email address, which will send them an email so they can access this file as well. They'll have their own copy though, so you don't have to worry with them ruining what you've entered already. Now I'm going to go into the toolbox. In the toolbox, there are several videos that you might find helpful, including maximizing eCAPS. Very Green Motors and Controls has some extra data on VG motors, and Sure Airflow monitoring as well. Greenheck also included this really cool tool called System Effect Simulator. In this simulator, you can simulate different inlet and outlet conditions to the fan you've selected, such as ducts and elbows. And depending on the fan you've selected, it will limit the selections you can pick from. For example, for this type fan, I can't select outlet conditions. Up here at the top, you can see the assumptions that Greenheck has made for these outlet and inlet conditions. And while I was creating this video, I realized you might be looking for a restaurant type exhaust fan only that goes on the roof, or emergency smoke control fan. So you can view these options under certifications or special requirements or advanced inputs. So restaurant exhaust, for example, or emergency smoke control, VFD ratings, speed controls, dampers, etc. All of those basic functionalities of CAPS are still here. Hopefully you're still using CAPS for most of your selections, but if you don't have access to CAPS and you're on a mobile PC or whatever, hopefully this will help you make those selections when CAPS is not available. So thank you for watching this video. I hope it helps.